Hello everybody, just wanted to give you a quick update on the swing carousel. As you can tell, I have utterly redesigned the elevator. The tires were neat, but just did not have enough traction to do what I needed it to do. So I finally had to break down and go with a Technic base. I will do a video on just that elevator tomorrow. For now, here we go. You can see how wobbly that is right now, so I will definitely be adding in some more structure. But there we go. We've got our elevator working. We've got the asymmetric turntable working, and we have the top of the canopy working. So, it's coming along. It's definitely got a ways to go, but the mechanics are working so far. Thanks so much. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and share it around so other people can enjoy it. Don't forget to join the conversation on Facebook and our other social feeds. Thanks so much. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming in bricks. Bye-bye.